What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Shea TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today I have the pleasure of looking at the Bad Bunny Adidas Forum's The First Cafe. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review of new to the channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. Today, as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the OG first collaboration done with Bad Bunny and Adidas on the Forum collection. Huge shout out to one of my followers I actually had the pleasure of meeting in California in San Jose at SneakerCon. I am able to do this review because he was so kind enough to send me over the Bad Bunnies, and here we are able to review them. So we're going to start off with the overview, then we're going to jump into size and fit, followed by how I style these, and then we're going to talk about how crazy these are doing on the resale market right now. This was the OG colorway, so as you know, this is blowing the black color and the pink one out of the water right now. They're going for a crazy resale price point, so stick around to the end to hear about that. But without further ado, let's jump into this overview. So the Grammy award-winning artist Bad Bunny did an impeccable job on his collaboration with Adidas on the Basketball Forum sneaker. So this is such a crazy inspiration because it is something that I actually definitely have to agree with, and that is how I feel about my morning coffee. I love my morning coffee, which is where it got its name, the first coffee basically in your morning to start your day off. So there's so many different amazing high quality materials in this. Starting with the front of the toe box, we've got this nice, almost like a cafe latte suede going on the toe box with some nice tumbled leather and an even lighter tone. Again, I feel like this is more milk in my coffee, my cafe latte. Moving up, we've got this really cool dual patterned mixed color on the laces. It almost has a blue and brown tone to it. And then underneath, we have this really solid high quality double tongue that is actually interchangeable. How crazy is that? So if you don't like this tongue on the front with Bad Bunny's logo, you can also switch it up to have the Adidas logo on the back, which is in a nice kind of pop of blue, which goes actually quite nicely with the laces. So on the inside, we've got this nice strap, and it says Yo visto así in Spanish, what I like to wear, or how I like to wear. And we've got some nice kind of different brown hues again on the eyelets. So let's take a look at those details up close, and we'll move on to the side panels after that. on to the side panels, this is really cool just because we've got all these mixtures of different brown hues. We've got this dark mocha tone for the Adidas 3-stripe logo with some nice hues of a lighter brown suede underneath that. Almost a gum bottom coloring scheme here in a light shade. Wrapping around, we've got this toggle on the back in a dark mocha colorway. On the inside of the shoe, we've got this really cool, almost mesh netting. It kind of gives this espadrille feel, actually. And on the inside, we've got a dark mocha insole with a dual logo for Bad Bunny and Adidas. And the shoe is then finished off with some more of a gun bottom color scheme, just in a darker shade, and then a nice dark mocha outsole. Let's take a look at all those details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. So I am a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a size 9 in women's. I do have high arch narrow feet. If you do have wider flat-footed feet, this may actually decipher a better size that works best for you. All right, let's talk about styling. So of course, this is a great colorway as we're getting into the fall. So I really wanted to show some clothes that I'm gonna be really rocking in the fall season here in New York. So for the first look, I decided to wear my Essentials cream knitted hoodie, and I paired that with some nice, just brown hued, not canvas pants, but cargo pants. And I feel like the browns and the creams just really work very nicely with all the colors that are played throughout this shoe.
Solo pa' mí, a ver, recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir. Solo pa' mí, yo te comí, bebita chiquita, bonita. Ella siempre me llamaba porque la dejaban con las ganas. For
the second look, I wanted to bring a different color scheme to this, and I wore this tight-fitted green dress that has some brown hues throughout it, but I think that this color works great with nice bold pops of color as well.
A mí me decía que a mí me quería, pero yo no quise más de ti. Y ahí fue cuando yo tomé la salida y también me fui. Ya no quise más de ti. Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir.
For the last and final look, it was more monochromatic. I wanted to bring some nice, just light brown denim jeans into the mix with a nice trench coat and a tan color scheme. I am going to be rocking trench coats all season long, so definitely wanted to bring that into this look, and I tied that in with a nice cream shirt to go underneath.
Solo pa' mí, yo te comí, bebita chiquita, bonita. Si solo lo supiera, donde lo hacíamos y donde tú me verás. Siempre tu manera, siempre te escondías porque tú no eres mi beba. Y cuando tú te fuiste me mandaste una foto para que no te olvides. Ella no se decide, quiere más de mí, pero así no fue, baby.
know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite or how would you style these shoes?
¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. Hacer lo que a ti te enciende, junto te la paso aquí pendiente. Junto que te toco y terminas temblando y de tu cuerpo me dejas deseando. Deseando. Mi chiquita, bebecita, qué loquita. Yo quisiera verte a ti, de solita, tu sonrisa. Te quiero amarte de ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. De cerquita, bebecita, ese cuerpo tuyo yo la tengo conocida. Yo me vuelvo loco y tú loquita. No vas a salir herida. Deseando tu carita, lo que me excita. Compramos un Balenciaga para que los critican. Siempre fumamos, siempre tomamos. Justo pinte como era allí fuera. Lo revelan. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí y yo aquí pensando en ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí?
All right, so now let's jump into resale. So these retailed at $160 when they were released, and they are currently right now going for a whopping $800 to $1,200, which is insane. I do think that these are quite unique and rare and very different. And by far, out of all the colors that released, this is by far my favorite. So again, huge shout out to Junior. Thank you so much for sending these my way. All of you who have helped support this channel since the beginning, it does mean the world to me. So thank you so much again, Junior, for sending these my way. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is Shade TV. We will catch you all on the next video.